2019 to 2022 and chair of the Urban 20 to the stage for a conversation with Ben Vickers, chief editor at BNEF. Thank you very much for joining us.
Well, it's a real pleasure to welcome Pak Anies Baswedan to the Bloomberg NEF Summit in Bali.
Looking at the experience of Jakarta, we're facing complex challenge. Look, we have 11 million people, and we have 16 million registered motorized vehicles. So we have more motorized vehicles than people officially. Let's assume that it's 11 million people, 11 million motorized vehicles. How do we change that equations? I think one, this is a lesson learned. Look at the root cause. What are the root cause there? And two, use all resources. So collaboration is key. And three, evidence-based policy always. So these three things, let me elaborate a little bit. One, on the root cause. And it was mentioned earlier in the previous presentations. We have been adopting car-oriented development for decades. So we are transforming that into transit-oriented development in all aspects. We're happy to report here that we laid out the foundations, because that reform will take place for many, many years, not only in the 5 years. But we lay out the foundations of that reform. When we are talking about converting into transit-oriented development, it means one, spatial planning is being changed. And we did that. So we did the spatial planning change, but the result of the spatial planning change can only be seen in the next few years. Zoning regulations were reformed, permits for higher towers were given if you're near a train station, for example.